This is Funtasy Island. There's sun, sand and breathtaking views of the sea. Located 16 kilometers from Sentosa Cove and just a 20-minute boat ride from Singapore, you feel you've been transported to a totally different world from the congested cityscape that you've come from. Funtasy Island near Batam may just be your dream come true to owning that beachfront villa for just a fraction of the price in Singapore. Comprising 7 islands, the 400-hectare Funtasy Island is envisioned to be the world's largest eco-theme park.
What we are developing here is a resort with the water villa and the hill villa, and our key attractions of this island is our eco-theme park.
The 900 million Singapore dollar development, once completed, will house luxurious villas, 5-star hotels, convention facilities, a marina, shopping and entertainment options. To date, Funtasy Island development has sold around 510 villas out of the total 1,000 villas it plans to progressively build. Its newest launch is the over-the-water villas, with more than half already sold.
Pricing for this water villa is around 488,000. We have the most expensive one is Aqua Villa, which is around 6,000 plus square feet, which around 1.8 million Sing.
Buyers can make use of the developer's payment scheme after an initial 60% down payment. Owners have the option to lease out the unit to be operated under a prestigious brand, Meritus Hotels and Resorts.
For rental return, we expected about 5 to 10%. We are confident on this amount is because our main attractions of the island is the nature. The value of your property will improve, okay, because you are staying with all these precious assets around you.
Funtasy Island Development says its villas have increased in value in the last 3 years since the initial launch.
When we first launched Corallium and the people who have actually invested and take the risk to come in when the Corallium is still a bare land, they're paying around 430,000 per villa. Now at the moment for the same water villa they are purchasing is around 680,000.
For Funtasy Island, the initial intent was to market the villas for leisure, but some owners who have flexible work schedules are planning to use it as a residence, and some even for retirement.
Originally, when we sell this, we are more on the leisure and investment. But to the response from the buyer, most of them, they want to retire young. Okay, they want to buy for their own use. I can say almost 40% of these people who purchase our villa, they would like to use it for themselves.